So Logos Hope is the world's largest floating book fair. It's a ship that goes around the world sharing knowledge, help, and hope. And we have over 5,000 different titles on board the ship, from cooking, from Bibles to different things. So people could come, engage, learn about so many different things, and we have a crew from over 65 different nationalities, over 300 people, so you could just come, interact with them, meet new people from all over the world, and just share with them. So we have books for everybody, people who like to cook, business books, books for kids as well, just different things, learning different crafts. And for university students as well, there's actually a section where we have textbooks. So it's just a different thing for everybody. So the ship will be in Aruba from March 14th until April 6th. On board we have a lot of different events, cultural events as well, events for kids, for youth. So in sharing knowledge, help, and hope, that hope is the love of God and just the light that He has in this world. And a lot of people are going through so many different situations in life, and we just want to bring that hope to them. So the ship was here in 2017. That was about 8-7 years ago, and it's been a while since it's been in Aruba. So I really encourage you to come and then see what's new, see what's the same maybe, and just to experience that as well. On board we have over 800,000 books, and those books are available at an affordable cost. So we encourage you to come and browse and just find something that you like, as well as the entrance fee. It's the same price as a Coke can, which is around 2 florins. So it's affordable, so you could come, you could enjoy, you could meet us, and yeah.